How to view Enex files. In this tutorial, we will guide you to view Enex files using Forensic Enex Converter software. To install the Forensic Enex Converter software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This represents the interface of Forensic Enex Converter software. To begin, click on the Open button. This software provides user with Choose Files or Choose Folders option. User can choose either one of the options available as per the requirement. Click on the Choose Files option to view the Enex files or notebooks from the system. You can select single or multiple files at once. Click on Open button to continue. This panel shows all the selected Enex files or notebooks. Select the notebook whose content you want to view. This panel allows you to view all the notes available within the selected notebook. And from here, you can keep count of available notes within the notebook. Click on the note you want to preview. The content of the selected note will be viewed in this panel. User can switch between the notes to preview them. This software also allows the user to preview attachments such as photos, videos, and even audios available within the selected note. Users have the option to export the notebook to desired file format. In order to export notebooks, users will have to purchase a license for the software. By following this method, you can simply view your Enex files using Forensic Enex Converter software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.